Operation of pharma and CRO or biotechnology companies and CRO has been there for maybe 30 years in UK, US, or in the Western world. However, in China, might be only 1 to 3 years old. Partnership conference is a very good connecting opportunity, very informational and edifying.
I think what's great about this particular conference is it brings people from pharma, from biotech, from venture capital, from CROs, and as one of the speakers said, at least for pharma, biotech, and CROs, we're all faced with the same challenges, and so we learn from each other, we learn from the experiences that others have had in that particular region. And that's why in my session I really opened it up to questions a lot earlier, because I find that stimulating the interchange often yields more than just having one person talk for the entire 45 minutes.
It's a vast market. It has cultural differences, there's linguistic differences, and you have to appreciate that, and you need that local support, the local guanxi, the connection, to be able to leverage that to ensure that you achieve the goals that you've set yourself as a company to expand into the Chinese market.
I think there are cultural dynamics to take into consideration. The Western way of doing business is not necessarily the way that business is done in Asia Pacific, and so working with individuals that are experts in that field can help mitigate some of those challenges early on.
Different cultures, maybe they are different personalities. So in Chinese, they always maybe more not to say anything, maybe they have some not good. And I think it's a problem for the clinical trial. The results will be different from the Western country. So I think in China we have a more special management for the clinical trial, especially in the drug safety.
I think this conference is very, very enriched. I meet a lot of the people from the CRO company. I know everybody is doing, and we also talking in future collaborations.
We are here to take a look at a consortium concept of where companies that have clinical research employees will pool resource to get critical mass and therefore bring down unit cost of training, but able to take training where it needs to go and the capabilities of our employees. I've been to lots of conferences where the exhibitors are awfully lonely, and this is not the case here. The tables have been very, very busy.
This has been a very informative and enjoyable event. I've learned a lot. I also met representatives from a number of CROs, such as Praxo and such as a number of other ICON and other CRO companies. We've set up appointments to discuss potential business collaborations.
If you come here, you will see a lot of big hats coming here. You can see some of the clients, they are looking for the service, especially for the CRO service. So that's really the group I need to further talk, and I really make some of the conversation with them really beneficial.